This is the first video in a two-part series on quality control, and this video will deal with the configuration of quality control analysis in Xperdyte. In this first video we will focus on the setup and configuration steps, covering how to create the quality control test codes, how to create templates, and how to configure the testing profile on bill of materials. The second video shows how to process, print, and manage administrative functions for a certificate of analysis. The first step is to create the QC test codes that will make up the certificate of analysis. To do this, from the main menu select Quality Control, select Quality Tests, and then QC test codes. Enter a short code and a description in the corresponding columns. You can optionally capture a unit of measure. For example, if you are testing diameter, use millimeters. If you are testing temperature, use Celsius. Click Save. Keep your test codes short and meaningful so they are easy to understand and present clearly on reports and the certificate of analyses. The next step is to configure a testing profile for the different products you want to test. There is a key distinction between product types. One type is a purchased item or an item you do not manufacture yourself. The testing profile is configured on a QC template. The other type is a manufactured item where you have a bill of materials in the system. The testing profile is configured on the bill of materials for that item. To create a testing profile template, from the main menu, go to Quality Control, Quality Tests, then QC Templates. To create a new template, click on Add. On the pop-up screen, enter a code and description. In the code column, select the test code from the codes created. For each test, capture the minimum and maximum tolerance values where applicable. Test results are numeric in the system. For true or false style tests, such as color or smell, for example, set the minimum and maximum as 1. If a test is not naturally numeric, you can still use pass-fail values and capture additional detail using comments. For manufactured items with a bill of materials, you configure the testing profile on the bill of materials itself. In the bill of materials, go to the QC tab and configure the tests in the same way as you did on the template. Add the relevant tests and capture tolerances. If a test is not naturally numeric, you can still use pass-fail values and capture additional detail using comments. You can also configure recurring testing for retention samples, where testing is repeated over time, for example monthly testing over a set number of months. If the user finds that many of the bill of materials have the same testing profile, a QC template can be created for that profile and imported to the BOM. You can apply restrictions so that a works order cannot move past a specific status unless the required quality control tests have been completed successfully. For example, you can prevent the works order from moving past a status, like status 20, until the required tests have passed. This is the first video in a two-part series on quality control. If you would like help, reach out to the Xperdyte team, info@xperdyte.co.za. Thank you for watching.